So I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible? My screen is visible to everyone?
Hey.
My screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
everyone should mute yourselves. Everyone, check and mute yourselves first. Yeah, everyone should check and mute yourselves.
నేను వస్తున్నా నువ్వు బ్రష్ చేసుకుంటా ఫస్ట్.
Okay. Okay. Now everything is clear? Yeah, okay. And yesterday we discussed regarding to the organization structure. Okay, what is the discrimination of that organization structure? What does it mean? In a simple theoretical way, I explained in yesterday. And today we will go with SAP regarding to this organization structure, and we will configure in SAP. Okay. Now I am opening SAP. I am refreshing my screen. So again, I'm clicking on this virtual machine, power on this virtual machine. So we need to wait for this time to open the server. It's opening now. Yeah, because this is the today is the third session. That's why I'm today also I'm seeing you opening the session. Other than that, I will open separately and I will start my session from tomorrow onwards. I think everyone should started. Install the session. SAP login pad. Everyone should install and need to open at least. Just you have to see the fields. What are the fields in that? Apart from that configuration. Okay. So now I'm opening SAP Management Console. Okay. I'm maximizing this and minimized my screen. Existed from full screen. Now I am going to action all tasks and start. So click on OK. Here open password. What is our password? India123 and OK. Next. Refreshing this. It will open within few seconds. When coming to this slide, so yesterday I discussed regarding to the what does it organization structure significance. What does it mean exactly? So today we will go in our SAP session and we will configure all these things. First, what are the things we discussed on yesterday? Company and company code, sales org, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group. At the same time, plant, store location and shipping point. So before we are going to configuration, we want to know that who is responsible for this organization structure. Okay, I explained you overall organization structure of SAP. Okay, but which organization structure is responsible for whom? So now I am explaining that. Actually, see here, we have a company and company code. Correct? Company and company code, in the sense already we discussed company and company code, what they will see. So they will see the financial activities. They will see the financial activities. FI consultant will see those things. Who is that? FI consultant will take care about those things. And when coming to sales organization and distribution channel division, sales office and sales group, what is that? All these things are related to sales. All these things are related to sales. That's why SD consultant will responsible for these things. At the same time, plant and storage location, what is that? Plant and storage location, what we discussed on yesterday, we used to plant and storage location to store goods, whether it is a raw or finished products. The purpose is need to store goods. Who is responsible for those things? Consultant will responsible for those things. Final thing is shipping point. Shipping point is responsible for the SD consultant, because this is also responsible for the sales. Okay, to move the product to outside. So whenever if you are going to SAP, company and company code will configure in financial accounting node, where we config financial accounting node. When coming to sales org and distribution channel, in sales and distribution node. At the same time, division we configure in logistics general and sales office and sales group. At the same time, sales and distribution node. And again, when coming to plant and shipping point, it will be on logistics general and logistics execution. In storage location, okay, storage location This is the small thing. And now I will open SAP. Is it okay for everyone? I am increased now brightness. Is it comfortable to everyone? Because here my room lighting is very low, that's why. Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
If you
Yes,
have
yes,
any,
ma'am.
yeah, okay. If you have any objection, or if you have any sound issues, I mean, my voice is not able to hear you, or my screen is not visible, please respond. Na? So at the same time, if you have, now I increased my brightness. So I minimize this. From tomorrow onwards, I will open, before starting of the class, I will open server. Okay, so I already, from 3 days, I saying to you, so how to open these things. Yeah. I am refreshing. Go to SOP logon pad. Double click or right click and log on. You have to follow two ways. Double click or otherwise give a right click. In that right click selection log on. So username and password. See here, we are going to IMG screen. So click on here. Okay, and in, see here, we have a one node. What is that? Enterprise structure. What is that? Now we are all discussing regarding to the enterprise structure. So going to definition, here we have two things. One is definition and one is assignment. Assignment in the sense we need to link up. First we need to link up to I mean to separate things before we need to configure those things. Correct? That is the definition. Definition means first we need to create. Assignment in the sense then after we have to assign what we defined here. Okay, click on definition. See here, Financial accounting node is there, logistics general, sales and distribution, material management, and logistics execution. We have so many nodes, but as of now we are discussing regarding to the SD module, how much is required for that. We are going with that only. Other than that, we need to perform so many things. Okay, that's why. And when coming to, first come to financial accounting. Okay, financial accounting. So what we need to configure? Company and a company code. What is that? Company and company code. Where we found those things in financial accounting. Okay, go to, click on here, define company. Okay, it's opened. So every time if you want to create new things, just we have to copy from the 1000 company code, because 1000 in the sense it's a standard practice. So just we have to copy from the before things, because we need to avoid some errors, because obviously we are getting errors even though if we are doing like this. So but we have to minimize that errors, in the sense nothing but uh, to proper running of this system, to proper running of any business, we need all these things. We need the things from SD, sales side, side, financial side. But as a SD consultant, we are doing only SD related things only. We don't want to go to in-depth financial or we are doing integration things, how much we are required for that SD. Other than that, we are not going to configure all those things. Okay, because of we are not maintained those things, system gives a error in the sense system wants something. System simply saying that you are missing something. Even though if you are doing configure from sales side, that is fine, but when coming to another session you are missing something. That's why I'm giving you warning. Okay, we have three things in here: warning, and one is message, warning message, and second thing is error. Warning message in the sense system just wants you, like, just maintain this and that's it. Other than in error in the sense system will not allow to go forward. Okay, it will not allow to go forward. If you are maintaining this configuration, then only I allow to do other things, other than nothing. That is the meaning of error. Okay, and click on here, copy. Okay, now we have to create one company and give the details here. Okay, at the same time, uh, I will tell you one more thing. This is whatever the org structure we are creating, just I have, this is my practice. This might be vary from person to person. Just I am maintaining in Excel what is the configuration, org structure I am maintaining, because I need to avoid confusion. At the same time, whatever the things if I want in the next moment, so I have to take it easily. So that is my practice. So other than you have to maintain in Notepad also, you have to maintain in Excel. Yeah, because whatever we do configuration in SAP, we are not able to remember all those things. Okay, we are not able to remember all those things. Initially you have to go with a Notepad or this Excel. Are you comfortable with which thing? So go with that. Okay, see here. See here, I given here 4 letters, correct? So company I give you 4 letters. I am trying to enter 2 more letters. Okay, what does it means? It means nothing. So there should be a limitation for that any things to enter here. So okay, for this block we have a limitation, but when coming to company, so we have to enter up to 6 digits. Okay, up to 6 digits, because this much of space is available. So here I'm creating one company. What is that? Like you say, simply I wrote here RLPL. So here I'm giving the full name of that company, Reddy's Laboratory Private Limited, like that. Okay, here nothing, don't confuse. Here they give company name, and at the same time they given what is that name of the company. What is that name of the company too? Simply nothing. That most of the companies, they have a long description, they have a long description on their name. So if there is not sufficient to here, they will enter here. That is the meaning of that. Okay, so here is the street in the sense, like, we have to give the detailed information, address of that company. What is that address of company? Simply mention here High-tech city. Postal code. Postal code in the sense postcode. Subject to correction, I think. One of the postal code for Hyderabad, what I remember. Here I mentioned. And city, Hyderabad. So company is located in Hyderabad. Country, which country? Country, Hyderabad is located in India. And language, English at the same time. Currency, INR. Okay, I entered. See here, it shows that number of entries copied. Whenever we do any configuration, system will give you whether it is a copied. Here in below it give you a description that number of items copied, whether it is a repeated, no it is a repeated, or whether it should not possible, system will give you below, or whether it is already there, it will give you a description like that. Here in below we have to observe that. Here this is the save button, already I told you. Okay, what I did now, I entered all the details and click on enter, then save this. See here. See, whenever we are doing the configuration, okay, whenever we are doing the configuration, so clicking on save button, it asks for the some number. Okay, it asks for the number, that means request. See here, request. This is a request number. What is this request number? Request number is nothing. What is this request number? Those who are attended the first day of demonstration, they might know. Maybe if you remember. This is the transport request. What is that? This is the transport request. Simply we say it as a TR. What is that? In shortcut TR, the full form is transport request. Whenever we do any configuration in the development system, we have to save in this TR, particular TR we have. We have to save all this configuration in this TR only. Okay. See here, data was saved. System saying that data was saved. Now I'm mentioning here, I'm maintaining my data. Okay, this is the company. And company is completed. Next, the second most thing is what? Check here company code. Go here, edit, and here first click on copy, delete, check company code. Okay, and go here. In above we have a copy organization structure. Okay, now I am copying this from 1000 company code. Where? Now I am copying. I already told you, whenever whatever the configuration we are started, we have to start from a 1000. Standard 1000 in the sense standard practice, we have to copy it from there to avoid errors. Errors in the sense already I explained. So how to avoid those things? That's why you have to copy from 1000. So here the two company code. Two in the sense I am copying from 1000. Two to whom I am copying. So now I need to give you one company code name. Okay. Our RLPT is our company, and our company code is RLHD. Where it is that RLHD. Click on enter. See here whatever I am guiding, please do that only, because here see, only copy the GL accounts if you want to allocate the same accounts to target company codes as source company code. As of now we are not able to understand what is this. So do you want to copy the GL account company code data? Yes. Yes. What does it mean now? So whatever the properties, what are the things 1000 company code, standard company code will have, we have to copy all the things to this, whatever the company code now we want to create. That is the meaning of this doing activity. Click on enter. It will take time, obviously. You have to go enter, 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 and go to like that. Number ranges copied. System asking, really do you want these number ranges? Otherwise, really do you want this? Yes, we want. That's why we are entering enter. Yes. Otherwise, go with, in laptop we have a enter, press on enter and go with it. See here, 97% of tables copied, 100%, like it will give you the update. So whenever we are doing the anything or we are entering it, see here above it, like it's a blinking or it's moving now, we say it as it's a compelling. What is that? We say it as this is a compelling. In our general terminology we say it as a buffer, but in SAP terminology we say it as compelling. See, it's compelling. At the end, final destination, we got a one confirmation that it is copied, then only it's copied. Up to that we need to enter these things. See here, company code 1000 copied to RLHT without one number range. Except one number range, it says that company code is copied. See here. Okay, activity is completed. Okay, before that we get a message that company code is copied without one number range, that we need, or whenever we are going to configurations we have to see and we maintain that. See here, activities is completed. Okay, and come back. Okay, go to edit company code. Where? Go to company code. What is the company code now? We are copied from 1000. Anyone? What is the company code we copied from 1000?
RLHD.
Yeah, RLHD. RLHD. Okay. See here, this is our company code. Now we need to, because it is copied from 1000, so that's why the details, all these are from 1000 company code details. Now we have to update this according to our company. What is our company? So Reddy's Laboratory Private Limited. Yeah, see here, one thing I forget. Country, so I entered here manually IN. Other than that, click on here, the one button we have. Okay, right, you are seeing the two boxes like that. Okay, I click on here. See here, I click on there. What are the countries exist in here? It's showing all these details. See here. Okay, it's showing all these details. Albania, Armenia, Argentina, Australia. It's showing worldwide all countries. Okay, at the same time, okay, all these countries. So you have to select from here, India. Okay, ours is India. Now I close this session. And currency also. Currency also we have that. click on here. Click on here and I cross type. Okay, our currency is Indian rupee. So when coming to language, that is also I clicked on right side. See here, German, Greek, Arabic, all languages, sir. But ours is English. Okay. So now I am saving this. And one more thing. Okay. Currency was changed. Click on enter. Okay. System just gives us a message. Okay. Give us a message. What is that? Our currency is changed like that. That is the message. Okay. See here. Whenever I am clicking on this, so this button is regarding to change our display. Okay. See here, I clicked on this button. Go to position. Position in the sense whatever the thing we are created, we have to check here. Click on enter RLHD and click. See here, I am double clicking on this. So am I able to change anything here now? See, all these fields are getting gray. So I put a cursor on this and I'm trying to mention something like I go to backspace or no, it is in a non-editable mode. Means it is not in a in SAP we are not able to change anything. So it is in a gray screen like this. We say it as a non-editable mode. Okay, non-editable mode. Why? Because here I clicked on display. Display in the sense it shows only. Display means just I am giving you a right to display purpose only. You are not authorized to change anything. That is the meaning. So at the same time, whenever I am clicking on this, see here again I clicked on this. So now I am entering same company code. Okay. See here. Now it will come under white. Okay. Now if I want to change anything, I want to change. That's it. This is the button. If you want to create any new entries, this is the new entries, and at the same time this is the copy. Already before that I copied it from 1000 whenever I'm creating company. Okay. I'm copying this. At the same time this is the deletion button. This is the deletion button. And this is the previous and this is the next session. This is also the next session. Okay. And this thing is address. Okay. This thing is address. Click on here. Click on here because company code is the physical location. It has the address properly. Correct. We need to give a proper address where it is located exactly. Okay. So now I am changing all these data and entering our company. What is our company? Reddy's Laboratory. Search term in the sense what does it mean, significance of search term 1/2. So whenever we are creating any company or anything, just it means that in further whenever we are searching our company code, we are not able to enter our full company code name. Then that time if you are giving this search term, we are able to find simply. It's a shortcut. Simply it's a shortcut. Give it as RLPT something. PH. Okay. Street number, street or house number. See here, street and house number. We have to enter at the same time postal code and city also. Okay. Okay, enter here. Okay. Okay, Madhapur and house number 5-78 suppose. And postal code, when coming to postal code, enter here the postal code and city. Simply nothing that whenever the company code is existing in some place, just I am giving that company code address and where it is existed, what is the postal code and city country like that. country India, and region. Okay, I'm clicking on this. What is the meaning of this region? See here, we have different regions: Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Goa. Okay, in which region this company code is existed? In which region this company is code is existed? Okay, clicking on here. Simply see here, 32, I think it's a not maintained, na? Okay, because Telangana is not maintained here. Hmm. Okay, then take it as a Andhra. Okay, and this is the language. When coming to language, change it to English language. When coming to English, nothing is not required. Telephone, just remove this. No issue as of now. Okay, click on enter. CET time zone, CET is not valid in the country IN. See here, again I'm clicking on address. See here, what is our time zone? India time zone, because it is existed on previous Germany. We are copied from the Germany, that's why it existed on European time zone. Okay, system will give us, warns us. Okay, time zone, you are not changed time zone. Okay, that's why, that is the warning message. So now I am clicking on here and saving this. Data was saved. What does it says? That your data is saved. Okay.
Ma'am, here
Uh-huh.
company name also same and company code name also same, correct?
No, different, na ma'am.
You are giving Reddy's Laboratory Private Limited for both.
Yeah, I will show you. No. It's a company code. I mean, company code came from which company name? It means that. Are you understand?
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
RLHD is the company code. That's okay. But this company code is belongs to which company? That is the
Okay.
thing. Yeah. So in financial accounting, I created company and company code. Two things are completed. So what is the next thing? So next thing is that when coming to sales data, what is that? Sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, and sales group. Okay, first I will explain you plant. Okay, plant and division, because in sales organization maybe it might take time. Whether it is completed today, that's fine. Go to logistics general. We have here two things. One is plant and one is division. So see here, that's why in past 2 days I explained each and every pin to pin. What is the organization? What does it in general format? At the same time, I explained on SAP terminology. I take a few examples. So regarding to this, whenever if you are entering this plant and division, so what is plant? What is division? Just you have to recall. You need to recall that. That's why I explained all those things. Okay. Now in logistic general, go to plant. Okay, here this thing also, copy delete check. Go to here, copy delete check, and click on copy organization object from 1000. Again I'm copying. So here I am giving to the name of this plant is RLPT. PT, Reddy's laboratory plant simply. Okay, click on enter. Enter. Okay, again click on enter. Plant 1000 copied to RLPT information. Okay, it gives the information to us. What is that? You performed some activity. The result of that activity is this only. Plant is copied to RLPT. Click on enter. Okay, now come back. Go to define plant. Okay, come to position. Click on that. What is the plant we copied from 1000?
RLPT.
RLPT, and I am entering here. See, double click on this. Okay, and go to here address tab. Okay, title is company, name is this plant came from which company, this company. At the same time, what is the search term for this? I am reviewing all this, and sorry, search term. At the same time, I am entering the address of this plant. Street, it's a Aminpur 7-89. Just in real time they have individual address and everything, that is separate and that is in a formal way. Just for our preparation purpose I am giving something subject to correction. Don't take it as a mind otherwise. At the same time, postal code also, and city Hyderabad, country IN, region, time zone. See here, what is our time zone? India time zone. Okay, change here language. Remove these things. Whatever the things now I explained, mention, I mean, while you are doing configurations, you have to put this minimal information, it's enough. You have to put this and practice. Okay, and remember one thing, whenever if you are doing any configuration in SAP, don't add unnecessarily any data or don't remove from the standard things. Okay, because it have a big impact on upcoming whatever whenever you are practicing, that will distract your preparation. Okay, click on enter. Postal code length must have 6 lengths. Okay, if you are doing mistakes, system will not accept. Okay, if you are doing mistakes in overlap, system will give us. It needs a 6 digits, but we give a 5 digits. That's why system wants us. Okay, click on enter. See here, that is laboratory. I saved this, click on enter. Okay, see here, before that this description, all these things are in their respect to their things, but now this all these things are changed. Okay, this is the regarding to plant. This is regarding to plant. See here, we need to configure two plants. We need to configure two plants because whenever we are going to forward and whenever we do some configurations or we have to start any master data, we might need that. Okay, if you have to prepare 3 or 4 plants also, that's enough. Now I am preparing those things. Okay, define plan. What is our plan? RLPT. Click on here. I am copying this. Double click on here for the better understanding. Copying this. Okay, now I am changed this to RLP2. RLP2. Okay, because I need a plant in another location. Okay, I need a plant in another location. See, and change this something like 4-90 like that. Everything is same. Okay, and click on enter. Okay, click on enter and save. Okay, I prepared 2 plants at the same time. Now I want to prepare another two. I am selecting this whatever we created in previous. Just see, I am clicking on copy as. Okay, specify target entries. Okay, from RLP2 I am changed this to RLP3 and clicking on enter. Okay, I am changing. So here now it is in -90 like that. In real time we have different location we have a plant. Okay, for example, suppose one plant if we have a Pune, one have if we have in Hyderabad, so we have in different places, but our understanding purpose I am explaining you all those things because we need to focus main on the significance of plant where it is located. If you have to understand the meaning of exactly where it is located, that's fine. Okay, for the understanding purpose, now I am putting all this in one area only, one state only. Okay, and saving here. Okay, again I want to create one more plant. From this I am copying this RLP4. You have to change name and description also if you want. Okay, and save here. Data was saved. How many plants we created today? 4 plants. See here. What are those? RLPT, RLPT4, PT3 and PT2. Okay. First plant, second plant, third plant and fourth plant. Okay. These are the 4 plants we created in today. 4 plants we created in today. Okay. That's it. Okay. What we configure today? When coming to financial accounting and enterprise structure and definition, we are first defining those things. What are the company we created? Go to here. In this RLPL, this is our company. Okay, this is our company we created. At the same time, when coming to company code, sorry, this is the company code we created. And when coming to plant, 4 plants we created now today. Okay, 4 plants we created. Where we created in logistic general, we have created 4 plants. See here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, and today we started enterprise structure with company, company code and plant. So rest of the topics we will continue from tomorrow. I mean rest of the organization structure we have to define and assign from upcoming sessions. So this is the today session. Okay, if you have any doubts from today's sessions, please let me ask.